Have you ever seen someone cooking something very delicious, or he's cutting some red bell pepper so that he can actually prepare some Chinese rice? And whenever the Chinese rice is ready, how do you want to eat your Chinese rice? You want to make sure that you're eating your Chinese rice when it's smoking hot and served hot. Now, to ensure that you get the latest videos straight off the oven, straight off the pan, make sure you subscribe. But subscribing is not enough. If you want to get the hottest food, instead of eating the cold food, you want to click the bell icon as well, because clicking the bell icon ensures that you get a notification pop up on your mobile phone or on your channel. So make sure you click that one. Let's jump straight into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Solana video update. And today this is printing out some hanging man, and we're having hanging mans next to the resistance line. Guys, very soon, write this on a notebook, very soon, my personal expectation, I don't want to sound overconfident or anything, but in the next 2 days we're about to see another drop in the market for Solana. Boom, we're gonna start to actually move lower, because it's doing everything to actually go lower. And you do have that support here, loss of support, came up, losing everything, and you do have the 3 black rows as well. So all in all, the next technical target I'm looking for is nothing more than this flag here that you're popping out of today. And the first target before going down to all the way to $6 is gonna be from there to there, and you might be looking for Solana to now come down to $10.1 in the next coming few days. So be careful. That's the first target, but remember, on the higher time frame we still have $6 and eventually $4 as well. And $4 is where I'm looking to try to buy a little bit of it. So that's pretty much it for this Solana update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.